Do you know that there are some settings, if they are not done properly, can stop your channel growth? That means you are not getting views, your views are just stuck, you are not going forward, you are stuck in 10 views, 3 views, even after posting consistency, and still yet you've not even gotten video that have gotten up to 50 views or 100 and something views. Do you know that something is actually wrong? And this is just because of there are some settings you need to do while uploading your video, which maybe is supposed to be turned off and you mistakenly turn it on, or maybe it's supposed to be turned on and you mistakenly turn it off without you getting knowledge of how those settings work. And there are also some settings in our main channel settings, that is in the default setting, that we mistakenly turn it on or turn it off in the wrong way. That is how you see some of us, we are posting every day, but it's just as if our channel is not yet noticed by the algorithm. The algorithm have not started pushing our video to the right audience. Our videos are just stuck in our channel. This is just the reason why. That is why most of the time some person thinks that maybe it is luck for you to get it right in this YouTube street. But do you know that you need a lot of hard work? Like, you need to put in the work for you to even get for you to make the algorithm to love you, or for you to make the algorithm to notice your video. You need to put in that work. Forget the fact that some people will be saying that YouTube is simple, or YouTube is on a good mood, or this. If you didn't do those settings properly, forget the good mood or whatever, you won't still get it right. Your views will still not increase if those settings are not done properly. Street is very, very hard, but once you've gotten it right, you're going to see how you're enjoying YouTube. You're going to be showing you 5 important settings you need to do in your YouTube channel, and even when posting your video, so that you're going to get good results. So this is the interface of our YouTube Studio dashboard. This particular setting has hindered a lot of small YouTubers and even especially new YouTubers from getting their channel noticed, or for them going forward or getting views. The videos are just stuck. This particular settings is just going to be an eye-opening setting, so I want you to just pay attention to this. After watching this video, just go straight to your YouTube Studio dashboard and just implement these settings, or even as we are doing it, just start doing it too. And believe me, after these settings, give it time, you're going to see results, because this is what has actually helped me. First of all, let's go to our content size, our videos. Before you make your videos go publish, these are the settings you need to do before you publish your videos. So now we click on content, right, so to bring us to this place. So let's just click on any random video for this particular tutorial. This is our video that has been uploaded, right? Or these are truly the settings that I've done that before I upload this video, and which has been helping me. So let's do this together. Let me just show you what to do before you make your videos go public, right? So you see this altered content. This particular altered content, you say no, because why? Your content is not an altered content. Are fixed tags, which I'm going to show you how to do these fixed tags, right, in your YouTube, in your setting default. So we are going to go there first, but let's just do this first of all. So you come to this license, you click on it. You see standard YouTube license and Creative Commons attribution. Make sure you place your video in standard YouTube license. Yes, because you are telling YouTube that this particular video is for you. If you mistakenly put it as Creative Commons attribution, you are telling YouTube that anybody can make use of your content, and with this it can cause you demonetization if you are monetized, and it can give you a copyright strike, which you don't want that to happen to you. So always remember to put your video in standard YouTube license. It is very, 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 very necessary. Like, a lot of people has been coming to me that my videos has really helped them a lot. So if you have not started doing all these teaching in my video, because I used to take my time, I do practicals, I'm not coming out and just saying it because of I want to say it. This is what I'm doing in my own channel, and it works, and I will bring it out there to share with you all. So please make sure you try to implement all these settings on your channel. believe me, you're going to see results. It's just patience. Everything is just YouTube. It's just patience. As long as you've done the right thing, then just keep on doing it. Don't give up, and you're going to see results. So you see this, allow embedding and publish to subscription. Before you make your videos go public, make sure you click on this publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers, so that immediately that video has been published, YouTube is going to notify your subscribers. That is, if you have genuine subscribers that really love your content, make sure you click on this publish to subscription feed. There was a day in one of my video I said, okay, let me just try it and turn off this publish to subscription feed. Honestly speaking, that video did not perform well. It did not perform well at all, and I was like, as of then, I didn't even know that my subscriber used to come and watch my videos. So I was like, okay, let me just try it, and I turned it off. That video did not perform well at all. Make sure you just try new things to know what works for you. So now, as for me, I've known now that I must turn this on before I publish my video, so that YouTube is going to notify my subscribers and they will come and watch. But if you know that you have subscribers that don't come to watch your video, which I've talked about this in my other videos, I don't want this video to be too long. You can just go and watch this video so you understand more about this, right? So you see this category, whatever niche you are into. If you're into comedy, you click comedy. If you're into education, entertainment, film and animation, gaming, put it here. But if you know that your niche is not here, just go ahead and put people's and blog. All these are very important. Don't go and put, when you are doing everything about comedy, then you now go and put education. All these things are very important. If these settings are not properly done, one particular setting might be hindering you from getting the results that you want from your channel, might also be delaying your channel growth, and you will just be stuck. Your channel will just be stuck there. Let me just say you are doing something like entertainment and so on, then you went ahead and put autos and vehicles. You are confusing the algorithm now. Click on settings. It will bring you to this place where you see channel and upload default. You click on upload default, right? So now you come to this tag. These are the fixed tags. All these fixed tags are very important. Instead of you, like, these are just like the internal fixed tags. Like, you've already passed a message to the algorithm that this is what your channel is all about. You understand? Whatever niche you are into, make sure you put these fixed tags before the physical tags you put in your description, which is just preparing the algorithm or letting the algorithm to know what this particular channel is all about. So it will just make it easy. Once you publish a video, it will make it easy for people, for the algorithm to know the right audience to push that particular video to. There's most of those creators, you see them, they don't put physical tags in their description. You will think maybe they don't use tags. They use tags. These are fixed tags. They use tags. Don't be deceived. So these are fixed tags that are very, very important. So all you need to do is just for you to go ahead and come to this place and put these fixed tags. So you come to the channel, you click on channel to bring you to this place. You click on advanced setting, right? So make sure you click on set this channel as not made for kids. So it's just very easy. This is just like a default. So whenever you're uploading your video, just know that this has already been set there, so no need for you to turn it off or turn it on. So you can, believe me, after you implement all these settings on your videos, just give it some time. Most of us, we rush too much. We just look for shortcuts. You don't, like, you need to give your channel that attention that they really want for you to get good results. Everything is not luck. We put in the work for you to get good results. You understand? So if you feel this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video so to get a whole lot of people that don't know about this particular setting. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. See you on our next video. Bye.